How to change WhatsApp wallpaper in iPhone. For that, first of all, make sure that you have updated version of WhatsApp application. Once you check that, launch your WhatsApp application and make sure that you have logged into your account. Now, choose a chat in which you want to change your wallpaper. Once you choose the chat, simply tap on the username of that chat. Now, there you will see wallpaper option, simply tap on it. From there on the top you will see choose a new wallpaper option, go through it and choose whichever do you want. Select any one and then at last simply hit on set. Once you set that, go back and check if your wallpaper is changed or not. In this way, you can easily change your WhatsApp wallpaper. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.